Some of you have asked about Screencast-O-Matic, so this is a very short video on how to use it. I have the Pro account and it allows me to do I can capture a screenshot. My videos can be longer than 15 minutes and I can edit and it has automatic speech to captions, which can be really useful, especially if you want to do a quick one and you don't want to go through YouTube. So this is what my screen looks like with all of with my videos. So I'm going to take you through how to start a screencast-o-matic. This is what it looks like. I'm logged in, but you can start recording for free. There is a couple things to show you. I cannot see the free one because I'm logged into my account, and I can't be in my account and out of my account at the same time. So it's $29 for 3 years, and I do use that. I think most of us do, and for us, it's worth it. But if you want to, you can do the free version, and you should go online to Screencast-O-Matic before you set up your account and check the pricing, and you'll see all three plans. Okay, so we're going to start making a video.